My name is Ron Inchausti. I own Coast Motor Werk here in Huntington Beach. It is a rare sight to see a Mercedes in our shop. The people at Clarion approached me and asked me about this project. I really couldn't think of anything else I really would rather do than to put my hands back on a Mercedes. So the wheels that came off of this car were a 14-inch iconic Bundt style wheel, used a lot on Mercedes. Very recognizable, but because of the 14 inches, limits your ability for tire options. So the wheels we swapped, although look similar, they're 2 inches larger. It'll give us far better options for tires. And with the Michelin Pilot Sports on it, it looks great.
My name is Johnny Valencia, and I'm with Michelin North America. Michelin has worked with Clarion Builds. This will be build number 3 for us. For the SLC project, we decided to go with the Michelin Pilot Sport All Season 3 Plus. The reason is this being a touring vehicle, to be able to endure any type of condition, the All Season 3 Plus delivers the performance that you need at any point in time. What I really like about the Clarion Builds program is that it gives everyone an opportunity to be able to see a nostalgic piece brought back to life. It's like, all right, how can we bring something to the table that matches what Clarion is going after for this build? And I think we've done it by choosing the Pilot Sport All Season 3 Plus tire.